I just want to say a few words about Scott Jansen's Advanced Conversational Hypnosis. One of the best programs I've come across in hypnotherapy for a long time. I've spent a lot of money on courses on trying to study conversational hypnotherapy in particular, and nothing has come close to the way that Scott teaches the program and the understanding of the underlying principles. And from these underlying principles, I've been able to throw away all scripts, don't need to prepare for a session, and my clients are getting outstanding results. And they're getting the outstanding results due to the way that Scott teaches how to do the advanced conversational hypnosis. The client end up discovering the solution to their own problems and gets a result just through the conversation. It's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it for anyone that's a coach, even a teacher, and especially a hypnotherapist. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I highly recommend.